Part 4 of the Bulldozer saga.
Yeah.
We let it park and went on vacation and came back and discovered a pretty substantial leak in the motor. So we either have a head gasket leak or a water pump, but our radiator fluid went out and into the motor, so it's a little bit more than we could chew. So we decided to put it up for sale. And these fine folks are the lucky folks who are taking it home. So we're gonna try and get behind and push it up. There we go again. What are you thinking, Silas?
This is awesome. Definitely better. It's awesome that it's going to a nice home, and it's like definitely cool how they're doing it. They know what they're doing.
Oh yeah, well, and that machine right there is awesome. I don't know. I'll have to see what it. Did he say what it was? The blue machine? Did he say what it was?
Ask.
But that's so these folks have another one just like it. So they're gonna have 2 of these yellow machines, and it's going to get restored. That's awesome. It's what we wanted. New life.
This is so what they're doing is pushing it from the edge to get it to move, which is like awesome with how they're doing it. So it's just like a reliable system, and it's working out for them. So that little adjustment right there, that was pretty slick on these machines. Only a bulldozer or a crack loader technically could do that.
Made it up the driveway, which is a huge success because it's steep and twisty. That's kind of all mountain driveways are. Final push right here. Looking good. That blue machine for me. It's on. Like it?
I guess that's the end of the Bulldozer saga. We finally selling it and get it out of here.